Welcome to the enchanting tropical forests of Southeast Asia, where the remarkable Tarsier reigns as one of the world's tiniest primates. With eyes bigger than its brain and leaping abilities that defy belief, this nocturnal marvel is full of surprises. What makes this diminutive creature so extraordinary? Let's embark on a journey to uncover its secrets. At first glance, the Tarsier seems like it leapt straight out of a fantasy novel. Its eyes are so large they're fixed in place, meaning this tiny primate has to swivel its head a full 180 degrees to see its surroundings. Can you imagine having to turn your whole head just to look behind you? And here's a fun fact. Despite its size, the Tarsier's leaping ability is phenomenal. It can jump distances up to 40 times its body length. That's like a human clearing a football field in one bound. How do you think they use this skill in the wild? Stick around to find out. Let's now talk about their habitat. Southeast Asia's lush forests are the perfect playground for the Tarsier. From the Philippines to Borneo and Sumatra, these dense canopies provide plenty of branches to leap from and an endless buffet of insects to snack on. But life here isn't without its challenges. Predators lurk, and survival requires cunning and agility. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to live in such a dense forest, active only under the cover of darkness? Let us know in the comments. As darkness falls, the Tarsier's world comes alive. They're solitary creatures, each fiercely protective of its territory. And here's something incredible. Tarsiers communicate in a secret language of ultrasonic calls, far beyond what human ears can detect. Can you imagine having a private frequency just for you and your friends? Their nocturnal habits also mean they have some of the most sensitive vision in the animal kingdom, perfectly tuned to low light. Want to know why their eyes are so unique? Stay tuned. Let's talk about their history and evolution. Tarsiers are evolutionary time capsules belonging to the Tarsidae family, whose roots stretch back over 40 million years. Fossil records reveal that these primates once thrived across continents, but today, they're limited to Southeast Asia. Their survival story is one of remarkable adaptation. Over millions of years, these primates adapted to shrinking forest habitats, leading to their highly specialized traits today. If you could meet an ancestor of the Tarsier, what do you think it would look like? Share your ideas in the comments. Moving on to their reproduction, Tarsier moms have a tough job. After a 6-month pregnancy, they give birth to just one baby at a time. These infants are born wide-eyed and ready to cling onto their mothers as they navigate the forest. Here's another adorable detail. Tarsier mothers carry their young either in their mouths or on their backs. What a ride, right? Another fact is that despite their small families, these tiny primates are incredibly resilient. Each baby Tarsier is a beacon of hope for this vulnerable species. With a diet rich in insects, Tarsiers are expert hunters. They also snack on small birds, lizards, and frogs. Their hunting technique is a blend of stealth and speed, using their powerful legs to pounce with unmatched accuracy. Have you ever seen a predator this tiny yet so fierce? Drop a comment below if you think the Tarsier's hunting skills rival those of bigger predators like lions or tigers. And there you have it, the enchanting Tarsier. From its mesmerizing eyes to its jaw-dropping leaps, this tiny primate is a testament to nature's ingenuity. Did you discover something new about the Tarsier today? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible animal adventures. Which animal should we explore next? Your suggestion could be featured in our next episode.